How to start manifesting if you're totally at ground zero, step one, and you don't know what to do, and you're not actually even sure if you believe in it. I'm going to use these cards. My son put them out in this order. Step one, blessed. You are a child of the universe. No matter what you believe in from a spiritual, religious, biological point of view, your existence is a miracle. When you were born, it was a miracle. The fact that you're still here is a legit miracle. And whether or not your life is going like hunky-dory, super great, super lovely, you are going to start engaging and re-immersing yourself in the fact that you're blessed, you're amazing, and good things are coming to you. One of the most important reasons for this is there's twofold. One, your energy field, and two, what you're putting out here in your brain at a biological level and an energetic level. What you're thinking is causing what you see and respond to be showing up in your awareness. My drop phone moment. When you are seeing and thinking and believing that you're blessed, that you're a child of the universe, that you're amazing, you're more able to see instances of your life of that happening. You're more able to see something good happening and being like, ooh, that's what I was expecting. When you're not in that mindset, good things can be happening and you're cynical or sarcastic or passing them by because that's not for me. That's not for me. Flashback to in my 20s. There were guys who were flirting with me when I was out with my friends. I kid you not. My perception of myself, based on in comparison to my friends, was so low. I seriously thought they were flirting with me as a joke. Time and time again, someone would flirt with me and one of my friends might mention it to me later and I'd be like, they were just kidding. They didn't really mean it. There was no evidence in any way that they were flirting with me as a joke. Case in point, I have never flirted with someone as a joke before. Like, who would do that? No, like, people were looking to hook up with me. But I was blind to it. And I kid you not, this happened for months. At a certain point in my 20s, I shifted to, oh, some of these people do like me. Wait, I am desirable. Even though I'm not like this best friend or this best friend, I've got my own qualities. I'm amazing. And I really started realizing and seeing how somebody might desire me, even though I wasn't super skinny, I wasn't a brunette, I wasn't super quiet and super cute. I mean, I was cute, but not like the quiet, cute kind. I had to shift the perception. Guess what? Guys were still flirting with me. None of that changed. Now, if you're out there thinking, Rachel, no one is flirting with me, and I really hate that you're talking about all these people flirting with you. I'm not saying they were lining up like I was Marilyn Monroe, but if in the course of a weekend of going out, one person was flirting with me, that was a win. And they were doing it when I thought it was a joke, and I just kept on thinking, nobody likes me, nobody likes me, nobody likes me. First thing is recognizing that you're blessed. That's step one of this how-to. And if you don't like the term blessed, it's okay. You're a child of the universe. You're a child of whoever you want to believe in. Maybe this bear is looking over you. All right, step two, imagine. Imagine there's no heaven. One of the biggest things of manifesting is creative visualization. I trained with Mike Dooley, and I'm Infinite Possibilities certified trainer. Here is a quick and easy phrase that I want you to cling on to, attach to with your grippy claw paws. Thoughts become things. Your thoughts that get repeated, that have energy behind them, that are imagined, visualized, and energized day after day, these thoughts, they become the things. For years, I wanted to have a commitment to a partner, have 2 kids, have a home with a yard where I could garden, have creative space, have my own business. Year after year after year after year, I was thinking these things. I want you to be thinking about the things that you want. However, here's a key thing about your visualizing, your imagining, you're thinking of it. And before I tell you, I want to remind you, Einstein, one of the smartest people in recent history, pointed out that imagination is more important than knowledge. Any of the knowledge that you have, hey, props that you know it. Right now, we're focusing on imagination. For the next 3 months, your job is to become a master at imagining, a master at visualizing, a master at dreaming, a master at imagining, using as many and all of your senses as you can. Most important thing in these daydreams or these meditations or these imaginings that you're doing, they're going to be positive. They're going to engage you in them. They're going to have sensory detail. And if when you close your eyes, you don't imagine things that actually look like anything, that's okay. Feel the feelings in your body. Feel the feelings. Have the immersed embodiment of the experience. If you can picture things in your mind, I want you to picture the colors, the smells, the taste, the words people are saying in your ear. Are they saying, oh my gosh, you're amazing. I love that you're dating so-and-so. You two are so good together. They treat you so nice. I love that for you. I want you to visualize that amazing job is what you have. That amazing home is what you have. Whatever it is, you're spending 5 minutes a day, or if you're like, whoa, 5 minutes is too much, start with 2. Start with 2 minutes. You could even do 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes at night. I love my 2 minutes at the end of the day. And this is a master super secret pro tip that'll help this happen for you even better. Before I go to sleep, as I'm relaxing, that's when I think about, whatever it is that I'm working on, absorbing, manifesting, embodying in my life. Lately, it's just the feeling of being loved, the feeling of being successful, the feeling of having enough money to spend on the things that I want to spend. That is the feeling I go to sleep with. You're going to picture, you're going to visualize right before you go to sleep, whatever this feeling is that you really want to immerse in. You're going to feel it. You're going to do that for 2 minutes or until you fall asleep, either one. Then pick another time during the day when you can always have 2 to 5 minutes. What matters is that you do it daily or Monday through Friday. I know there's 1 or 2 people right now who are thinking, Rachel, you know what you're asking me, that's going to take some energy. That's going to take some time. I'm going to have to think about when I'm going to do this and what I'm going to focus on. Yeah, it is. It's going to take some energy. Would you prefer to manifest more of what you're already manifesting and or just go with the flow of life wherever it takes you? Or would you like to put some intention into what you're manifesting? It's your choice. You can do whatever you want. And the last one, which I'm not going to harp on because you're going to know what you need to do about this. And if you don't know, let's talk about it in the comments. Clean it up. Where's the part of your life that you need to clean up? The words you say. Is it clutter? Whatever. That's your homework. Go play around with that. Clean it up there's an area of your life where you could create some more space. You could create some breathing room. Maybe it's a literal mess of like, oh, there's a lot of dust in this one place in your house, or this one closet has stuff just shoved in the middle of it, in the bottom of it. Maybe it's not a literal thing that needs to be cleaned up, but it's something like your calendar's a mess, or your contacts list in your phone has 20 people in it who annoy you, who you haven't talked to in 2 years, but you're not deleting them. I recently went through my phone and deleted 20 names. And even though it felt uncomfortable to do it, I also thought, I'm not going to text these people anymore. They're not texting me back. We're not in each other's lives. And I was just like sending them love and being like, bye-bye. Clean up the thing in your life to create some space for new things that are coming into your life.